Okay, class, so I'm going to walk you through, you probably know how to do this, but I'm going to walk you through how to create a folder in Google Drive. So everyone's going to have a portfolio to keep all of their writing projects. All right, so what you have here is your Google Classroom, period 8. I want you to first move your cursor to the waffle, the Google Apps. Click on it. Go to Google Drive. All right, make sure that you're in My Drive. You're going to move the cursor and click on New File Folder. Okay, you're going to want to name your file folder Speech and Communications Writing Portfolio. Okay, and now you have a folder where I want you to put all of your writing and all of your assignments in. All right. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me and I will walk you through it. Bye.